Don't get me wrong, I love a good glam look, girl, but I am leaning more towards the clean girl. Hi ladies, my name is Stephanie Deanna and welcome to my channel. So I'm going to be doing a Brandon Blackwood bag review. Before I jump into that, I just want to say, if you guys are thinking, she looks a little familiar, I used to have a previous channel on YouTube that I decided to no longer post on that channel. So if you follow me from Instagram and you're checking out this video, yes, this is a new channel. I decided to just scratch that and start brand new. I hope you would love this content and stick around and hit that subscribe button, and we're gonna jump right into it. If you guys are not familiar with Brandon Blackwood, he is a Black luxury designer. He specializes in handbags. He is from Brooklyn, New York, born and raised. He is of Jamaican and Chinese descent. He actually went to school for neuroscience, and he kind of changed the trajectory of his career when he was inspired by his mother to go ahead and pursue his fashion line, which he launched in 2015, the Brandon Blackwood collection. It has been growing ever since, and when I say I am growing with it, like, girl, I love his collection. It's just so simple and timeless and just classic, just everything that I'm looking to transition my wardrobe into. Don't get me wrong, I love a good glam look, girl, but I am leaning more towards the clean girl aesthetic, the clean girl vibes, just the simple chic pieces, timeless pieces, things that will, you know, kind of grow with me. So here is the bag, guys. So it comes in this box here. I do keep all my boxes, like all my luxury handbag boxes, I do keep them for storage purposes and just sometimes for decor. And he sends a personable letter, which is really nice as well. Love that. And I'm also going to be doing the unboxing in real time on either side here, so you guys can get to see how it really came. Now it comes in this black and white dust cover here. Guys, keep your dust covers, okay? I travel with my dust covers, plus I store my bags with all my dust covers so they don't scuff and mess up, especially if you plan on reselling your bags. You want to make sure you're taking good care of them. So yeah, guys, so the storage box is this deep, so I would say it's about 4 inches deep. It's a pretty nice size for something small. All right, so the reason I chose this bag, guys, before I reveal her to you, so I was looking for a bag that would give me minimalistic vibes, would go with pretty much anything in my closet. Like, I can kind of transition into spring and even summer. Now in summer, I do tend to go towards brighter colors, but I was looking for spring a muted color. I did not want a black bag or a white bag. I wanted something more like a pastel type color, something soft, again, chic, minimalistic. Those were the vibes I was going for. Also, I am obsessed with the Gucci Globetrotter bag. I am also obsessed with like the Vanity Case style bags with YSL and so on and so forth. So I just thought that this was a very affordable, nice alternative, and here she is, girl. Isn't she pretty? She's so pretty. I love her. So let's get into the details of this bag. So this is called the Mini Kendrick trunk bag. It's in powder blue. It's made with vegan leather. It has silver hardware here. It has an adjustable buckle clasp fastening here in the middle. It has these rings on the side for the adjustable strap that comes with it, which I will show you guys in just a moment. The dimensions of the bag is 5.8 inches in width. It is 4.3 inches in height, and it is 3 inches deep or in depth. So now I want to get into a couple cons about the bag because I like to keep it all the way 100 on my channel. So yeah, girl, I can't open her all the way. But I can put my hand in here to get what I need. My hand is touching the bottom of the bag. Again, it's only 3 inches deep. Then there are 2 elastic bands here on the sides of the bag, but there is a small hole, if you guys can see my finger, here at the bottom on both sides. So if you have small things that you put in here, like small jewelry, earrings, beads, small coins, candies, different things like that, there is a possibility it could fall out, so you want to be careful with that, okay? I love that it has the elevators on the bottom, so when you sit it down on any surface, it is protecting it from getting dirty. It is easy to clean. I would say, again, this material is very soft, it's vegan, very hard, sturdy bag. The quality is amazing. The craftsmanship is impeccable. It is double stitched and hand sewn. Yeah, so very chic, minimalistic, clean. Love it. Okay, love it. I will say you cannot fit an iPhone 11 Pro Max in here because that's what I have and I can't get it in the bag. But I knew that, and I don't typically put my phones in my bags because I work from my phone all the time. I'm always checking my emails and things like that. And then tablets, like sometimes I carry my big size tablets, so be mindful with the dimensions that I gave you, the size of the tablets that you put in here, or you can just simply fold a piece of paper like such and stick it in here, a couple pieces of paper, if you're a content creator like me and like to jot things down, or if you just like to jot things down in general. An ink pen can fit in here. Different things like different toilettes, as you guys can see, it fits in without a problem. Different toilets, travel size perfumes, lotions, lip glosses, makeup pads, different things like that, tampons, they do fit in this bag, so that's a plus. Yeah, so I am going to adjust the straps. You guys will see that I adjusted in the video when I did the original live unboxing, but I'm also going to adjust it now so you guys can get a better view of what it looks like on. And again, I plan on making it fall a little bit lower on me, but here is the adjustable loops here. Put her on, and I'm going to stand up so you guys can see right now where she falls. And this is how it came adjusted, but super cute. I love this. I purchased some like powder blue sandals from Zara, like some flats. So I plan on wearing that, like I hope that it matches, or even like give the illusion that it matches. So I plan on wearing it with like some jeans or some shorts and like maybe a white button up, or like an oversized white button up, or like a white tee or something like that, a tank top. You know, just cute, chic, minimalistic vibes, girl. But she's cute. She is cute. I love her. So yeah, this definitely quenched my thirst when it came to the trunk style bags and just our vanity case style bags. It did what it needed to do, girl. Okay, so a breakdown in the price. I paid, and I wrote it down so I don't forget, I paid $165 for this bag. And the shipping was $9.37. The taxes was $11.97, and altogether a grand total of $186.34. Very, very, very affordable. All right, so yeah, I'm happy about my purchase. On a scale of 0 to 10, I would probably give this bag an 8. Yeah, I would probably give this bag an 8 because although she is a mini, she does have those little gaps on the side, and I can't fully open her. Other than that, girl, I love it. I love my purchase. I'm happy I made it. So guys, he has so much on the website. Make sure you check him out. He has so many beautiful colors for spring and summer, bright colors. There's a beautiful blue bag that I'm interested in. There's a jean bag. There's a brown bag, like a chocolate bag, that I want to get my hands on. Just a variety of styles and colors. So this is not the only style, girl. Like, this is just what I wanted for me in my wardrobe. But be sure to check him out. I will leave the link below so you guys can search the website, and if you're interested in this bag in particular, just check it out. And thank you so much for watching my video. Give me a big thumbs up if you like this kind of content, and I will see you guys on the next video.